Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, adaptive cruise control, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.